Want to lose weight at home without gym or equipment? Do this workout daily and feel the difference. This is a full-body weight loss workout you can do at home, beginner-friendly and super effective. Exercise 1, jumping jacks, 30 seconds. This boosts your heart rate and burns calories fast. Exercise 2, squats, 30 seconds. Great for thighs, hips, and fat burning. Exercise 3, high knees, 30 seconds. Keep your core tight and move fast. Exercise 4, push-ups, 20 to 30 seconds. Push-ups for chest, arms, and belly fat. Knees down if you're a beginner. Exercise 5, plank, 30 seconds. Hold a plank. This targets your core and helps flatten your stomach. That's it. Repeat this workout 2 to 3 rounds daily. Stay consistent, eat clean, and results will come. Like, share, and subscribe for more home workouts.